Alright guys, today's video is my first video by the way. I'm with my friend Gabriel here. Say hi, Gabriel.
Hi.
We're gonna be exploring basically all the monsters, I guess. Alright.
Well, you can try out the new laughing bomb monster or whatever. Alright, let's go mimic first. Give me one.
Here.
Yeah, I'm broke right now. I spent all my money on flashlights.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on, Zach, where are you?
Let's go. I got a crowbar.
Alright. Let's go. The only reason we're checking them out is because they made the map different.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna see.
We'll see how everything works. Oh, let's go right over here. Zach,
It's over here.
Zach, over here. No, let's try over here first. Never mind. What about over here?
Oh, what?
Never
There's
mind.
nothing.
You know what to do, Zach.
Outrun it!
Let's go. Oh, Zach, you're just leaving me behind. Where are you?
Ruby, let's get that.
Ruby, get it.
We're gonna for
Wait,
money.
give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this.
Quick. You can move right here, you know what?
Can I see it? Zach, we're gonna be brave today.
Go beat him up.
Oh, it's Jiggly.
Oh,
That was good. I'm dead. Hi, boy. There we go.
right.
Shush him up. Let's go over here.
Let's go over here. I haven't checked over here, man. Oh, look. There's stuff over here. What's on here?
Wait, first let's just think.
Nothing.
You know?
Got a million toys.
Great.
Okay, this is the best spot to get. Oh, there's a crate here too. Get that. Is that a potato? Oh, it's a ducky. There's an umbrella.
I don't really need it. Stanley Cup, get in. Stanley Cup, get in there.
What happened to Stanley Cups? Like they're dead.
I'll just take it by hand.
Like
Let's
they.
go over. Let's go cash out.
Oh shoot! Almost fell.
And then we'll come back and explore.
Oh, I'm going slow and steady. Oh shoot! Yeah, you're doing this on your own.
How did you fall?
I had my crowbar in my left hand and I tried to grab onto the thing, but it slipped and I fell. Don't ask how.
I'm cashing out everything.
Stanley Cup! Oh, dude, there's a crate here.
Zach,
What?
I gotta do something real quick, okay? Just come over here at spawn.
Alright. That's fine. I'll just, sport chicken.
Come on with me. Come over here.
Oh, stop. There's anything in this backpack? There's nothing. Okay. We're just gonna cash out these two. They're the only thing I could grab with my two hands. Maybe.
I'm back.
No, I didn't. That was bad.
What'd you get?
I just got 146 buckaroos.
Alright, are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright. So we explored Mimic, right?
Yeah, let's go explore chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah, chicken.
I mean,
chicken.
chicken, there's really nothing to explore. So we'll go see if anything changed around the map.
I think they switched where angler and chicken was, because originally it would be two paths and like separated by like a rock, and you'd have to go between the rock to choose angler or chicken. But I think it's just
They didn't. That was stayed the same.
they changed how it was, because originally like angler was
There's
around
nothing
here,
over there.
but now angler's over here and then
chicken
chicken's
was
over
right there,
here.
huh? Oh, okay, I see. Oh, you sec. I'm back. For some reason, keep turning down my volume. Zach, distract them. Or actually, I'll distract them.
Alright,
For content.
for content.
He's good. Giving him some kisses.
Not me? Wow. Let's see how it is.
Did you collect everything? You better not die.
I promise it is. How do I cross?
Give me the crowbar. Give me the crowbar.
Bro! I hit something and I fell. Bro! I'm glitching. Bro, my thing glitched and I fell. Alright guys, that was chicken. Let's go do angler now?
Angler.
Angler next?
Alright, let's see what changed.
With no equipment whatsoever.
Yep.
Just a brief exploration.
Well, turn up my volume.
Alright, let's go. Oh. Yeah, so they changed the layout because it was not like this.
I think the other cave is over here.
It's over here. There's more stuff over here.
Oh, yeah,
Originally the
is
cave
over
was
there. Like over there.
yeah, it was over there where the traffic man was. Okay, bro. Oh, Rockman's right there.
Is he running after us?
No, he's not running after us. He's just. Come on, let's go. I don't think he one hits.
Right there. Yeah, he's like 5 hits. He's Rockman.
Up there, up there. Let's go, let's go.
He's right there. He's right there.
He's right there.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
I told you.
Bro, my thing keeps rotating. It almost got me killed.
What the hell? Bro, goes to the gym.
Why can't you be buff like him? Alright. I'm guessing they changed the exit, like the entrance. You'll see what I'm talking about. Why you laughing at me? You're not running. Alright, I'm gonna get a crowbar. I'll get a crowbar to beat Rockman up. Get a backpack too. I'm coming. I'll be your savior. Oh, don't kill me. Alright, I'm coming. Oh, shoot. Where are you, Gabriel? Oh! What the heck? You just sucker punched me. Gabriel, where are you? Gabe? Gabriel?
Zach, where are you?
Alright, here, come on, let's go.
Oh. Okay, what happened?
I got sucker
You
punched
guys
by.
recording?
I got sucker punched by Rockman.
Yeah, wait, Zach, before
Holy bro.
Zach, you should like run.
Holy moly guacamole.
Zach, you don't understand how much I was laughing. Cause look, he just ran up to you and did this. Boom!
Like
he
I was
had
looking at
his
him and then I
hand
look away
like
for 1 second and he sucker punches me. Like the disrespect.
that. The angler killed me. Also, I don't recommend moving.
Alright, move out.
Look, he's in the rocks.
You're stuck? You're stuck? Oh, okay, you're not. I thought you were stuck because I heard you say I'm stuck.
When I was with the rocks.
Oh, whoopee cushion.
Yeah, it's mine. That's my whoopee cushion.
Take it then, jerk.
Yeah, so I thought.
Stop farting, Gabriel. We had this discussion. You can't fart while I'm recording. Over here. Alright guys, that'll be it for this part because it's taking a little too long. Well, I'll make a part 2 soon. Bye bye.